Yemfi on fair inchire mu with 13 of the Ghana Premier League and the trinity friends GPL na any kan ye pa na no ada Karela United for ana woman enso ede woman ko obeja se na niam AC ekoso no de kodokodi gari bottom akra de on behye no na so na no ada 90 minutes of soccer fiesta no ana omode sakin sikesi itime certain time so koba se Kumasi Asante Kotoko ene itimi apuso atene edikan Moro Ibrahim wona dama opuso atene edikanya open anama kodoko na fe kwabi opoku ehye second goal no 70 victory no emane ye pampen ema eye Kumasi Asante Kotoko 90 minutes ne ba na wie no na Karela United 0 ana afi so kwa na eye Kumasi Asante Kotoko 2 nti wo hwe victory timensa pie mu sakin sima na nija atokotokofo akomam no eche boni a wawonta yede ni echire mu ewaduana stars fa kacha wo so eche wafafo twem kabako a wo antimensi madabraka Emmanuel Osebafo nadama wona poso satin na ede ma ewaduana stars has of folk phobia never say die ashedu ketekana nam nyankontomnante no wo so ne Legon City 90 minutes of soccer fiesta na akwa 1-1 Legon City Abrante Junior Juna Atukwe wona ne poso atene di kana fi Kwame Oben enso beti eka no ede ma has of folk nke sadia eka ketewa bi na fa has of folk for kon na ukoma Ashanti Gold Football Club fon so tena mu fie eye hwehan ema Liberty Professionals ebe poso matene kabako mantin anti Kwaku Kakari ana poso satina no Beche United 3 Great Olympics 1 and also Clinton Dodu Hafiz teacher Wuta Konkoni class 3 teacher onadama wona poso atena no etoso mienu ede ema eye Beche United eno pa hono Moro Salifu eposo baako eka ho ana fe Charles down so Great Olympics wono ede nya mpata go ne bofkase boni beka se consolation go no ede ma Accra Great Olympics odwumedia 8 medie no Techima 11 Wonders wo so transfer dreams ebetwa makami no omantiante Fahadu Suleiman ana poso atena no ede Emma Dream Football Club ana afi so Joseph Eso enso poso atena bako ede ka ho Interala 0 ana afi Metio Sebusunya bonto drafts osi IDK ID Pande o ma branti ya de Benjamin Akwa wona poso atena di kan na afi so Moro Sumala e poso bako ede ka ho ede mom e wo sakin zekesia eno so 8 dwenem yenkobo ani akohoma e wo se na matches na esi course nyame adoma ye be call back to Enyinesin Karela Enzimaland na afia kohwe sena niam asi course emra kodokokwache eye Karela United etwa makami no abezi sabri okopie mu ewo Enzimaland ya ultimate sampa fufuku sanko a ana amanfo etu egu ana no pai
to be Patrick Razakos always going down after that first touch here on his way down before him, but that seemed to be the referee now looking. There you see it again. Patrick Razak takes the touch here right on the hand. It's a penalty. It's a penalty right there. Great call by the referee.
Against Salom Komla Honu. Manas misses. My goodness.
I mean, his run up to the ball for me wasn't right. Yeah, I've seen.
What a good way to get out of that danger for Cities. Lovely pass in search for Atukwe. Atukwe skips past Nur Sule. Jonah Atukwe! Legon Cities are up by 1-0 and it's 19 minutes at the Accra Sports Stadium.
It's about him, he's got some lovely footwork. That space is where we're talking about isolating the two centre halves of Hatsafok. Drag Nuri Sule out wide there. That is a place no centre back wants to be. But that turn of pace about him is what.
Ovuka for Hatsafok. Ovuka delivers into the box. Ball is flicked on by Mensah. Hatsafok! Kojobin Jr. with the equalizer for the Phobians.
Good goal by Kojobin Jr. again. Radio Ovuka with a very good ball into the box. The first header was won there by Mensah. Obin Jr. showed great strength. Did well to get the ball past the defender and didn't panic when the goalkeeper seemed to be stepping off his line. Yeah, the first header won was good. Lovely control with the chest. Second, good second touch, something of it.
Any moment from now, Kenny Paddy will blow his whistle. There he goes. It's over in Accra.
Welcome to the Crosby Ewua Memorial Park here in Enyinase this afternoon. My name is Prince Annan, and together with Prof. Jude Achampong, 90 minutes is the reason why we're here, and 90 minutes we will give you. Hopefully we will also give you a sellout game, because for Kumasi Asante Kotoko, they need to find their feet on the ground. For Karela, this is an unbeaten home ground for them. We'll definitely tell, but that we go for the kickoff commencement of this match as the first 45 minutes of the game between Karela United and Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Obviously, the players on the bench would also want to be part of a history-making process. Don't forget, the fans of Kotoko believe that this is the day that, well, that was very close. Shot from a distance, and that was good enough. Strong challenge from Nuruddin, and the committed men up front is the chase down the left. This is Opoku. Keita waits in the 18-yard box. Shot is fired from behind from Imoro. And again, the second bite of the cherry. And Kotoko are 1 goal up.
Great goal, great goal, great goal. And there was the game plan, catching Karela on the break.
37 minutes gone in the first half. Karela 0, Kotoko 1. A long throw by Kamaradini. Kotoko come forward now to the near side and is brought down nicely and cleared with no problems at all from Osekweku. There we see with a shot. It hit the crossbar. Keita lurking. Cross by Beko. Chance for a goal. That was latched on fair and square by Franklin Osei. And that's some good play for them. Of course, boosting that confidence in the process. Karela will still keep the pressure on them. Jemfi lays on a through pass. Opoku is onside. Tackle comes in late. And Opoku gets goal number 2.
It was sumptuous, and that finish from Kwame Opoku. I told you he had not scored with a left foot, but anytime he gets the chance, vis-a-vis one-on-one, he will bury it, and he finishes. That's a striker's finish.
And Kotoko tear off again with Opoku. Opoku sends in the drive that went over the crossbar. It was close enough.
It's Godfrey Yeboah and locates Kwame Boateng, but Ibrahim Moro and referee Mohamed Misbah will end proceedings here at the camp park.
Enti Nations in PM week 13 I can see Timensan to dwa ewo nyina sine ho ana Cosby Memorial Ewa Park ho no eye Karela 4 transema Kotoko betwa maka mienu na ansa na case ni be sha ase kwa na Karela 4 the river and Cobra ana ebom ho asafo se river no ebom ho ban se ehwemu che se eye Karela 4 nkasa gari photo ana mo ye de ma bosom ne so ndi tikrokofo eye todi nkosuade koja bosom no anoja eye Karela 4 achidia omom 2 goals enra mom etimi ekuko manim e wa kensinim Kobe the scavenger and no pro bonus face mask no kama intimi sure so be wona hwene kakra but wa homa no so ye ne ntwenkumo ye hwese na niam esi ekoye mra Karela 4 di ntwo e okrokofo ensa no enti Kobe bibia bokode
bibia boko prof na onso
bibia kama e wa hanom na me sure se maso ya no pai enra najo odi minimu onnai enti ne hu anajo de sonim after say Karela 4 lucie no boy nkomo and so your birthday and the 8th of February ujina na so pa me wish you happy birthday was said media mu amafo beka ya first time a Karela 4 bi o mago mana no na the 7th of February say ya no second year azaka said it in time so I want almost say omo undefeated run him and so 7th February and akoreko ebe break is record into the battle between the 7th number no and enra ekutia Karela 4 e o makasa mudwumedia o moedimu boya kom ene mu kiremu se na nema sitie o venue ho.
Well, Prof said that we can akano enra before that match no na ehun sem no e bebrebe and o share enkoma ye back room a say ye di kan ba half Friday no say ye betimi ahwe na documentary bi ne ade atimi akoso na enkoma edidi ye obi ane ne be kasa bia na sem obeka bia no chese ampa omo river and Cobra no etimi bom ho ban enti eyade ba ko so a omo nyina no na omo gidi se ensuo no se omo efri ha ede omo ani akire mu obebobo awkrom a na ufa ensuo no so nko ade a eyade se obedi entuo ne de obedi awkrom a Achese na nkoma na aboye pusa kakra. But then after game no so no ofa kroma say kasa no na adane ebi edisomwo no ebo coach ani dende Augustine Vansadote ebi se eyade se omudi kankra no etia papa ne nanso se dia usi Taylor ene Kwame Boateng omu baako oma ontina bench mon fo baako starte esa se omo hunama bebrebe akotoko sebe omo ebepie mu awkromu a omo eyeye ebi susu se Kotoko tima eba no omo antina bas ni mu amba urimse prof Kotoko ebe buku two hotels no baako ena team no ekodemu ena baako nso bas no ekosi wo saa kwa ana obia enti wo na omususu se normal course normal Johnson Smith edi team nanim eyeye no na eyade se edintwo ena bema wo so mo start Kwame Boateng ene dia usi Taylor eyade se ebe hadwin enti na ye se nka coach no etimi ebenche titire pa dia usi Taylor ena no mo dia omum se coach no etimi bench no omo kai coach ne se on de enye no ma nyina ena wagidie on de onum ni se ball no ena omo bebo into one mention into ma aswasia kakra by after the game but ni nyina mo no nkunimdie no said wadi kan e da tudwa na ekoye e ma Kumase Asante Kotoko a kire nkomo no bebrebe na o resident a kromai no e wagidie pa e wosa ensuo mu ene sa recorder Kotoko abi break no prof e ma endra kroma din nanka koma e ba ne se han de omo bobo na so mo di nkunim ana so mo bodro kra na your joint bibli wo ha and obeko na anigye no kosopa na ya sheda akukọ sabi abie ya obeko no na waye ma nipa guo no enye nipa sa social distance ya sebi omampani wodi tuja ewon kran no and otumi se dodo na emfanye hwe nipa guo pa but obi awraho obi ati wodi obi ekabo no wasem se eyade se ebi se ase ombex ebi kura se eyade se ahom ye pa se saba kwasemi yetimi ebreki na sune nyinam no omunya aka omse de a football so de eye win draw and as a lose and a woman na dodo na so e de chichomre tuba de a enkomo no bebrebe mgidi se ba ye de dodo na so no ebeba na ahwefo enso ehu se de a enomate ewo enyinase a
okay Kobi ye beda wase enano pese wode enkomo emu ehwam se e de agyae na asana meja ho no mesa fa kwanya kese so I wish you happy birthday kese pa na me adom na obedun kran niam ACC wa ha no edos dodo enti me sure say obedu a wani beje pa wasana niam ACC ekoso yatimi ya puntu kakra abwampesi ene ho konia ba ni na ye de etwen wo sister Sandy enso entertainment prophet e wa Ghana ha na ono so nyoma oba akiri a ode be ba wo se me monyom wasi onipa ba ne ba so ba hwe ne wayira na wagene nkwa enti ne sister Sandy so e de nyomba be hia nsenku a emu ede ne pa enti o hwebse na nema esi ko ha na ese nkran eguso twen wo happy birthday wati
beda se pa me ba so acheke na jami guso bobo ne sa acheke ne pa ya ne kokwa ya che no kama part me ba me so my package bi kama so dem nim se wo so ye good ewo eduana asem se bundi bida no ya no wani je wo pa ti be dia acheke no na de ni be frafra na me dia bro na yetimi I enjoy wo kran
bibia mo de be bro bia se di bia di wati
o mi di ni nyina tonya
bibia enye tonkwa bibia mo de be bro hotel dem bia di wati di ni nyina enti minu we sia na mada wase Kobi the scavenger and adidie ednete Enzemaland no hwesena niam ACL ko channel smam se Elimina Sharks ene brekum Chelsea nyame adom ene ana obebo na African Five na Media Sporting Club so ene ana omde Mackenzie ne ebetunya santo aso na afie hu sena niam ebisi akọ yeso kra bat me fa table no enjao ansana masore so a Kumase Asante Kotoko tim sampanura was an ascension day at the mom sena Yesu wuye na sanso sorry course no sa pepe na Kotoko eri abada so all 23 points Karela at the third, second with 22 points. Bechib United at the third with 22 points. Accra Great Olympics at the fourth with 21 points. Into we and the first four top teams are Omoho, Obama, Brekum Chelsea, Ken Pfizer, and Interlife. Omona a battle for relegation. Midibesi and Mada was say, Mama Omu and Eshe Midin the Professor Yiki Wala Sagudi catch back up and I'm of course evidence based presentation.